This is the first time I ever, of all the games I played with Barkstar, this is the first time I pretty much might lose the whole
12
Barkstar. 12? Azrael. I might lose my water right here. 6. No, 3 at a time. Oh my god, keep doing that. Roll. Oh, Azrael takes 1. So for every 3, I get like a 1. So 3 more. Oh thank God. Next 3.
Trip 6s.
I should start. You always use these first. Ah, reroll. Good. That's it.
That's all that, man.
Now hit back.
And. Red.
Okay.
2 hits.
Flashbang.
2 wounds. Flashbane Force AP3.
Fuck it, put on Captain. First one. Good. Good.
Barely.
Captain, 3 attacks.
Nothing.
Reroll to wound. Oh no, first round combat. Nothing. The wolf, 3 attacks. Oh, 2 attacks. 2 attacks. Just reroll.
Not too bad.
1 hit.
Still 1 hit.
Nothing. Starting, oh yes. 5 base.
2 hits. No hits.
Azrael. 4 attacks.
No hits.
Gonna run. I need a 2, right?
Priest gets to go.
Oh.
He hits. Doesn't run though.
Can I run?
I'll let him run.
Let's see who gets it first.
Well, we both get to try no matter what happens.
We tie. So
Roll again, I
roll
guess.
again. I win.
You get to try first. Your attempt to hit and run succeeds.
3d6.
Yep.
Give him a big one.
11 inches.
11?
11.
Get this way. Oh man. That was clutch, man. I needed that 1. Holy shit, do I need that 1? This is your turn next, right?
Yeah, my
Trouble
turn's
4. Southern Accountants, 2 minutes. Yeah, you're gonna freaking charge me again. I'm gonna be in combat again. Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's. Go ahead.
Consolidate.
1 inch. Top of 5 now.
Yep, top 5.
Are we calling it or are we going? What time is it? 9 o'clock. I think we're still good. Let's go to turn 6. I mean, but either now or never. You know, you gotta get some points, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Either turbo boost or you shoot. Oh, right here.
Where did that come
Oh,
from?
we did. Okay.
We let off of that one.
Gotta kill this dropout, my friend.
Yeah, unfortunately.
And the Marines, that's on the other side of the wall.
It's like literally too much obstacle for me to fight, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Unless I do weird things.
Death Stars are good, but you know,
Well,
objective missions like this is a little tough.
Depends on the mission, yeah.
In ITC, I think this army is very good in ITC, straight up ITC missions. And guess what? I still hasn't got a tertiary.
Nope.
Did you get one for turn 4? I don't think you killed anything.
Not quite, no.
No. So you got 1 tertiary so far, right?
Yeah.
I have 0.
No, I did. I blew up that rhino on turn 4, didn't I?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got it. So you got 2. 2 to 0 in tertiary. Whatchamacallit again?
Secondary was only secondary I haven't fulfilled yet is March for Death. On that razorback over there.
First strike you got.
First strike I got. I'm definitely getting kill points on you because I've actually killed units. So she'll go there. She's leaving the unit. The rest of the unit will go 4 inches.
Yeah. Come at me. One. Die.
These guys.
Oh shit, trying to shoot some objectives, huh? Checkmate right there, too. Don't need a turbo boost move or a whatchamacallit move.
Jetpack move.
Jetpack move.
Which they get, oddly enough.
Yeah, you might as well try to blow that rhino up. I mean, drop hop.
Can't see. Armor 12.
Use sixes. Venture to that.
If I had 18 hits, I would give it a shot. But I got
And guess
12
what?
shots.
And drop hop gets a full up cover safe. He's down at the bottom.
Only if I were not.
Oh yeah. You go inside. Yeah. How much is that bastion?
55 points base, I think. It's like 100 and change when it's all assembled like this.
It's a lot of trinkets.
Well, it's just really hard to get rid of.
Alright, that's tough one. You the turbo boost these guys or you shoot the
Well, it's psychic phase first.
oh yeah.
So many things to think about. I'll cast Fortune on myself. Goes off on 3.
You got it.
Get a die back. These over here.
Yeah, I didn't get a single figure. I have 0 kill points.
Holy crap. I will throw Horrify on the guys inside here, these guys.
Yeah, you can see them, yeah.
Goes off on 2.
You got it. Leadership 7.
I will throw
Shriek.
Shriek at them, probably. I'll throw Terrify at them first. Why not?
Yeah, you need them to break.
Goes off on
1.
Yep, just 1.
Sure. Do a break test?
Not yet.
Okay.
It's the end of the phase, no matter what happens. Shriek. Goes off on 2.
Yep, 3d6.
All dead. Nope, sorry.
You got your kill point. So you're up by 3. 3 kill points.
I'll cast 3 in this ability, why not?
Doesn't
Goes
go
off
off.
on 2.
Oh yeah, that's right. You got it.
I'll throw 5 at Vortex of Doom. Goes off on 5. Perils up the ass. So
Go ahead. Pearls.
Perils is a 6, which I power up.
Mm-hmm.
Vortex of Doom goes nowhere. So, 3 people.
I thought it's a barrage. It has to move.
No, it doesn't have to scatter. You can still correct. So 3D hits. Come on, trip 6s. That's what I need. Nah, 1/6.
What did you put it on?
Put it on your captain. So start with one of the 2s. Start with those 2 first.
AP what?
AP 2.
Lookout onto Celestine? Yes. Should be Celestine.
Take your pick, I think, to be honest, at that point.
Yeah, Celestine. Equal distance. 2 lookouts? Oh, 3. You know what? All 3 lookouts on Celestine. All good.
Okay, so the first one in Celestine.
4.
Make a save.
Oh well, she has like full wounds left.
Yeah, well, make a save.
First one?
Make a save, yes. No. She takes 3 wounds.
Okay.
Next one. No. Takes another wound and she's dead.
Yeah, she's dead.
So the 6 goes on him and he just dies. Actually, he looked it out.
She has a yeah. On the
So the priest dies.
4.
No.
Oh.
6. He dies. He takes D6 plus 6 wounds.
Oh yeah, that's right. Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that's that. Still have all these. I'm going to throw 3 at Gate of Infinity. Goes off on 3 with the barrels. Back to the barrels.
Let me see if I can stop it. 4. Stopped.
I went 3.
Oh, you went through? Okay.
3.
Yeah. Alright.
As it is, I lose a Warlock and I lose a Horrify. Which I've cast anyway, so it's kind of a moot point. You can die, because you're awkward.
Where do you want to go? Oh. Trying to get your kill point, huh?
Get a secondary, possibly more, we'll find out.
Oh, sorry, the secondary, 2 points. Yeah, it is 2 points, you know.
Yeah.
That's important.
Arrange them when I get there. Moving this mess is a pain in the ass.
Should have saved my smoke for later.
I'll throw a grenade on that thing, why not? I might miss.
Alright.
Actually, no, I won't throw a grenade. That's just silly.
Alright, throw the thing.
I'll save my grenade for later. Make a blind check for the sisters, though. Regular initiative.
Good.
You're fine. I'll throw 3 Cleansing Flame. Goes off on 3, no barrels.